my name is Neil Jane and welcome back to my channel. So today, for this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a crazy cool airplane. And this airplane can glide very well. So you guys should pay attention to this. And so without further ado, let's start. What you'll need is you'll just need a regular printer paper. It's just 8" by 11.5, or is it the other way? Yeah, 8.5 by 11. And after we're done building our plane, I will show you how to throw the plane, which will help with the gliding and keep it stable while it flies. So let's start building. To start, you take the paper and fold it in half. You have to fold it in half the long way to keep the plane shape. Now, after you're done folding it in half, you unfold it and then take the top two corners and fold them down to the middle. Now make sure the edge is folded down to the middle. As you would see it, the top edge of your paper would fold down to the middle. And then after you're done creasing that, you do it to the other side as well. When you're done doing that, you fold the big triangle you've made down. And then when you do that, you have to make sure that the point in the middle of your triangle lines up with the crease you've made before. Then you take the edges from the top and fold it down to the middle. Now you don't want to do it to the tip of the triangle, but you want to do it a little bit above. Then you fold that, and then after that you take the other side and fold it down. You have to make sure that the corners align at the same spot so that the plane works well and the wings are at the same spot. Then the corner or the little triangle that's left after the wings, you fold that up. Fold it up as far as it can go and make sure it doesn't interfere with the other wings. When you're done doing that, then finally you fold the whole plane in half. First, before you do that, make sure you finalize all your creases. You don't want any of your plane folds to be a little loose. So you fold it in half, and then you basically smoothen everything out. Make sure all the folds are completely folded. And then you don't want your wings to be straight. For the glide, you want them to be a little slanted. So to fold it, you need to fold it with a little crooked, And that crooked will be good because it'll help with the gliding. The whole point of this plane was to help glide, and it's a really good glider. That was basically what this plane is supposed to be. So then you make it on one side, and then you use the plane that you made before, the wing that you made before, as a marker, and fold it on the other side. Fold the other wing down. Then make sure you crease those wings nice and tight. After you do that, you have your plane. But you can't just throw it like this. The wings need to be a certain way. So you can't throw with the wings down. But what you should do is take the wings and unfold them from how they were supposed to be. Then you smoothen out the fold and then let go of the wings. Then you should have a Y shape from where you see it. That is the good shape. Now let's show you how to throw. Now, to throw the plane, you have to push with a certain amount of force. The force should be very low, so when it flies, the plane doesn't go with too much force and crashes, but it nicely glides. This is how it's supposed to be thrown. Today I have 3 tips for you on your plane. Tip number 1. Roll up the corners. If you roll up these corners, it might help with the flight pattern, whatever your plane needs. Tip number 2. On the sides of your wings, there are edges. Now, if you fold the edges down, you can have these little side fins. That's what I call them. You can do it up or down, however you like it. and it'll help with your plane. Our third and final tip will be called the triple fin, the triple tail. At the back, what you do is put pressure on this line. Then it'll pop in and you'll have a little one fin. You can see from the outside. Then you can do it a second time and push it in this way. And then you have one going up and one going in. And then you can do it one more time, making it a triple fin. You can do it as many times as you want based on how big the tail of your fin is. But what you can do is just try out all of these together, only some of them, whatever fits your plane. And also, you guys should check out this guy named Foldable Flight. He's a really good paper airplane maker, and his planes really work, so you guys should check him out too.